Hi everyone, welcome back to the Quick Tech tutorial. Today for this video of Quick Tech, I will be showing you how to recover Discord account password. To begin the process, open the Discord application first. Now once you're at the Discord homepage, tap on login. Once you're at the login page here, you need to tap on the option forgot your password to begin the recovery process. Tap that. Now the first thing you need to do is provide your phone number or the email address to proceed forward for the recovery of your account password. So type in the details. Then after you need to tap on forgot your password. With an instruction to change your password to -- please check your both inbox and spam folder. So for the further process, Discord has sent you a mail with the instruction to change your password. All you need to do is go and check out your Gmail. Tap upon Gmail. There's the Discord password mail on the top. Tap upon that. Here all you have to tap is reset password. Tap on it. This will proceed forward and took you to the page where you will be able to provide a new password for the Discord. And there you can see you can easily provide a new password in here. Type in the new password in the text box and then tap on change password. With this, your password change process will be completed and tap on continue to Discord. So this is how you can easily recover your password for the Discord. Now you type in the updated password and then tap on login. And with the updated password, you will be logged in into the account. So this is how you can recover a Discord account password. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Quick Tech tutorial. Thank you for watching till the very end.